Have you seen those reports where a particular column is having a variety of numbers and everything is shown zero and some numbers are there in millions? What if you could convert the formatting in such a way so that whenever the number is in big, it shows millions, whenever it is a mid-range number, it shows in thousands, and when it's very small, it can show the real number itself. If you want to learn that kind of formatting for the numbers in your reports, then check this video now. Think of the scenario that my numbers are very big and the magnitude of the number is changing a lot. The magnitude of the number is changing a lot. And I would like to show them in millions or maybe thousands. So when I show the numbers in, let's say, thousands, when I show the numbers in thousands, comma, so the numbers become like this. I'm still having very big numbers. So let me go back and then I'm putting one more comma at the end. And then look at this. Now I am forcing them to show in millions. So many numbers are like kind of decimating. They're kind of disappearing because of the rounding off, because they're not as big as millions. So how to create a formatting so that if my numbers are little bit big, they are shown in millions. If they are in thousands, they are shown in thousands. And if they are shown in if they are like little less than thousands, then they should be shown in full digits like this. Look at this. It was 850, so show me 850. But as soon as it is more than thousands, it is all in thousands. And as soon as it becomes in thousand bigger numbers, then show them in millions. So this is quite good. But it is dynamic formatting. And how can I write this formatting? How can I manage this formatting? So let me come back. Okay, let me come back. First of all, how to remove the number formatting, how to bring them to the general formatting. Okay, because some formatting is applied and I want to switch back to the general formatting. So one way is go to this drop down and select the first option, general. When I select that, it gives you original text, original numbers. Now let me show you some example here. If I am having the formatting numbers which are changing a lot in terms of magnitude, and I want to keep them maybe in the 3 digits if it is less than 1000, and if it is in millions or bigger, then show me in millions, or if it is less than that, then show me in thousands. Okay, something like that. So I will again go to custom format and I will make use of those semicolons. What is the normal representation from the semicolons? Positive, negative, 0 and text. If you don't mention anything, that is what it automatically uses those sections for. But maybe I can type something like this. I can say square bracket, and if something is greater than, and here I mention 1 million. If something is greater than 1 million, then close the square bracket. What formatting do you want to display? I would like to display something like hash, comma, hash, 0, which was my normal formatting, dot 0, because millions, I want 1 decimals, and then 2 commas. So that is my million formatting actually. Dot 0, comma 2, like 2 commas. And here I can type double quote M, semicolon, and then I can mention anything if you want. So let me just enter or click OK over here and let us see the result. Look at this. Anything which was more than millions, they have been transformed into millions. Rest of the numbers are not shown because you have not mentioned about them yet. After the semicolon, I have not mentioned anything, but I just wanted to show you that I can put conditions in those sections also. And to put the condition, you need things in these square brackets. You need things in these square brackets. Now let's modify it a little more. Okay, I am selecting the same cells, Control 1. This was the formatting code for millions, and this is the first section, and when it will get activated when the number is greater than 1 million. So I will copy paste the same code, Control C, and paste it over here. Now rather than greater than 1 million, I will type it as greater than 1000, and whenever it is more than 1000, I don't need any decimal, so I will keep it without decimal, and 1 comma at the end, and the letter I can put as K. And if it is not 1000, third section I am mentioning, okay, if it is not 1000, then just use hash, comma, hash 0. And when I click OK, let me copy paste this also so that I can show it in bigger format. Click OK. Look at this, 1250, that's 1000. 15600, that's 16,000. As soon as it is becoming in millions, the number format is turning into millions. But if it is less than 1000, it is retaining the original 3 digits or 2 digits or whatever it is. The formatting code which I have used is this. Let me make it very big so that you guys can understand it. And where is that semicolon? So this semicolon is that color here. This semicolon, I will put it in a different color, red, and the next one also I will put in red. So you can see the first section, I am saying that greater than 1 million should be shown in hash, comma, hash, hash 0, normal comma formatting, but I want 1 decimal, so dot 0, and then 2 commas because I want to show them in millions. Okay. Next thing, after millions are taken care, maybe I can go for thousands and then normal numbers. So you can customize your number formatting based on the magnitude of the numbers, and then it really becomes dynamic in nature. Otherwise, I've seen many people, in fact majority of the people, to put these K's and M's manually like they are being put currently in the text formats, and as soon as you temper the number, automatically it will not be usable any further. Okay, it will not be usable any further for the numeric part. How to add the text? For the text, you can see double quote, M, double quote. So this part you can put at the end. I am currently keeping it K or M, but you can type it anything in those double quotes. See, for the end users, they don't care how you manage it, but they want the clarity in their reports. And this conditional number formatting, where when the number is big, millions, when it is middle range, then it is in thousands, and when it goes very small or maybe percentages, then it is showing the number in a different way. So that's the kind of formatting which will satisfy each and every magnitude of the number. That's what you should use in your reports. If you are new to this channel and if you found this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so that you can get regular updates related to our upcoming uploads. That's it for now. See you in the next video.